think we may have hit the red line there for a little while.
Just soiled me. Oh shit. Holy shit, man.
Think we can make it up here?
Probably. You gonna go for it? Jared thinks we're racing. You're going up here. I don't think you should go down this one. I think this one's steeper.
Is it?
I mean, you do, you.
Brand new bumper.
On your freshly painted bumper. Oh, it doesn't look that bad, actually. Got the boys here. What's Mike's car? A TLX?
Yeah, SH, all-wheel drive.
Then we got the 1.8 Jetta here. Cameron in the JDM Legacy. Auto Tragic. Ah, does that look mean?
It does look mean.
Oh.
Baby.
All right, we're gonna flash this thing through MHD. I'm gonna go, yep.
You know what MHD stands for?
What does it stand for?
My hairy dick!
God damn it, Jamin.
That'll go good with your bit.
Aggressiveness hard. Just how we like.
Good man. Good man.
Honestly, it sounds way more tame. We'll try 3-inch. It doesn't sound right.
Just watch it eat away the dollars.
Hilarious.
Ruh-roh is right.
What's happening, Cameron?
Well,
We decided we would try to shut the burbles off because they were really annoying and not cool. Basically, the flash just failed, and now I don't know. You can see if it'll start, but I don't think it's going to start. Uh-oh. I hope we did not just break these. Yeah. Okay. Ones.
Wait, both? Just these ones?
Yeah, same time. And then you use the right one to select or to choose. So I'd go, yeah, go two. And then use that one to lock it in. There you go. We have winter tires that are not rated for 160 plus, okay? Open up your Christmas presents.
Merry Christmas. I always wanted a dog training collar.
Yeah.
Who are we training?
You know you're a dirty dog.
Oh God. Is that what touches your neck?
Okay, let's all put them on.
Oh no.
All of them. I want all of us to put them on. There's no.
Oh my God.
Are you ready, Jamin?
No.
You're here. We're going for it.
I can't just show up and put a dog collar on.
What did you talk us into?
Well, you're about to find out, I guess. Okay, adjust your collars accordingly. Seem like a bad idea?
Do you want them like tight on there or what?
Well, I mean, you don't have to be, it doesn't have to be tight, but it's got to be touchy.
Yeah.
You can't be faking this out while we're all actually doing this.
I don't even like having this on here.
I'm gonna lock it for now, and then I'll put it on.
Something about, okay, what's also interesting is there's only 3 channels, so I think technically, if we
we do all 6,
yeah,
and you press the button, 2 people are probably gonna get zapped.
I'm pretty sure.
Let's start at 1. Let's play around the world.
Okay, around the world. Jamin's scared. I'm scared too.
Okay, so we're using the little button. Right?
Yeah, little button.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. All same time?
All
or
same time.
How about we one at a time and then we watch each other's reaction?
Okay, ready?
Yeah. You first? I don't want to press the button. One's not bad. One's not
I
bad.
just did it. It's not that.
Okay.
Yeah, my turn. Oh, I jumped to 10! What the fuck? Okay, I don't trust this thing now. Yeah, see, so I turned it down to 1 and then I pressed it, now it's at 9. Let's put it back to 1. Okay.
We're gonna go up to 2?
Yep.
Okay, ready? I'll go first. Oh, it takes a second to respond.
Yeah, it does. You gotta like hold it.
Oh, it didn't do it. Oh. Okay, I just got a really quick one.
Okay.
3.
Okay, 3.
That one really. That's straight in my muscle tent.
Yeah, like I felt my muscle jam up there pretty good too.
Oh, yeah.